Okay, so I'm hoping the dust cloud in here shows up on video, and that should tell all of you that something is going on in here tonight. I can't leave well enough alone, and I was unable to wait for that variable frequency drive, which has arrived, but I haven't picked up yet. So I was just thinking, well, first of all, I tried to actually connect a source of vacuum to the exhaust of the turbine and get it to spin up and then hit the switch, and thought that would give it a little helping hand, and that didn't really work. I've got the intake blocked off here with a vacuum gauge. That didn't work. And then I thought, hi chompers, why don't I just mess with the capacitors as a last ditch effort? And what I had originally in this phase converter was a set of capacitors between, let's say, leg A of the 240 incoming and the generated phase, and a set between leg B and the generated phase. And I was taking some voltage readings, and I found that the voltages were really equal until I started the machine, and then the generated phase voltage dropped way down. So I thought, well, why don't I just take all the capacitors and put them from leg whatever, A or B, to the generated phase. Put them all on one, give it too much capacitance, too much voltage until you hit the switch, and then hopefully they'll give you enough. Well, I'll be damned if it doesn't work. Check it out. Phase converter on. Hit the switch. And there we go. We're running. It's got 90 inches of vacuum. Funny thing, it actually runs at higher vacuum with a little bit of air flowing. Completely blocked, it's just churning the air inside the turbine, but it's generating almost 100 inches of vacuum and ridiculous CFM. Yep, not going to do that, but there we go. Smooth and quiet. And all that dust in the air, to answer the question I posed at the beginning, is just 90 years of dust coming off of the turbines, because this is the first time this has been run without a separator or a piping network connected to it. But it's running, works beautifully. I'm happy. Turbine off. And funny enough, the phase converter actually gets noisier after you disconnect the machine you're running. Now that's, yeah, I don't know, it's still spinning, coming down. But I was a little concerned, you know, I didn't have the VFD yet, so I was a little concerned if this motor was even good. But now I know. Shoot, I should call and cancel that order, save myself about $1,000. Oh well. There you have it. I'm a happy boy tonight.